What you know about multiplication and factor?
The multiples and factors. So multiples are multiples are table of any number. For example, 16. The multiples of 16 are their table and factors of their a number. मतलब वो नंबर किसके किसके टेबल में आते हैं, जैसे कि 16 आ गया, 1 के 116 या 2 2 के 2 8 जा, एंड सर मल्टीपल आर ऑलवेज greater than the number, and the smallest multiple of any number is number itself. We can't find the greatest multiple of n number, and the smallest factor of n number is 1, and the factor are always smaller than the number, never be the greater than the number or equal than the number, and multiple is always greater than the number and equal than the number.
Okay, good. That's only na. They will clear. We will just go
Yes,
one by one, factors, and then the multiplier, and we'll see the
also
what are the difference between
find a
multiply.
factor
Yes, factors and multipliers.
of a number, and the smallest factor of any number is 1.
Okay, okay. See the what is the factor? Factor is the number that divide another number exactly without leaving the any remainder. Means what
Yes,
will be the value of remainder?
0.
Remainder should, yes, without means remainder should be always a zero.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it
Suppose
was
yes, means 1 and 12 into this one the 1 and 12 are the factors. 2 and
yes, sir.
16 equal to 12. Then 2 and 6 are the factors of the 12. Then 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then 3 and 4 are the factors of the 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the factors of 12? Factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12.
And sir, 1 is the common factor of any number. Sir, because हम
Yes.
पहले 1 से करते हैं.
That's why it is given every number has one and number itself are the factors. There is at least
Yes,
two
sir.
factors are there. Other than one,
Yes, sir.
every number has at least two factors. Number itself
Only
and the one.
factor.
Yes. Their factors are always the limited in the number. Like factor of 12 is maximum this one. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, this will be always limited. Limited means suppose factor of 12 is maximum 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and
Then
sir, we will also learn from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 that the factors are always smaller than the number and the
yes,
equal than the number. For
yes, and
example, सर हमें से 12 से छोटा है और एक 12 है जो उससे इक्वल है, लेकिन उसे कोई भी नंबर बड़ा नहीं है.
okay.
Yes, sir.
And then number is always the factor of itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then comes second one is the multipliers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The
What is
multiple
meaning the
means a multiple of a number is the result of multiplying the number by a whole number. Some means
yes.
in short there was a number of any table. For example, it was given 6 and give the what is a multiple of 6. So we will write the table, but we will
Yes.
not write the table because the number is infinitive. They are going a long, long, long.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why it is given a 4 multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 12 and so on. This is no limit is there.
So first we only learn from 10 and then sir, उसके आगे बहुत.
Yes. Then the last topic, yes. Last topic
And sir,
coming into the factors and multiplier difference. The first understand the definition. What is the difference features? The number
sir, for
divided given. Yes, please.
and by multiples of any number we will also learn that the multiple of any number is always greater than the number and equal than the number. We can't find the greatest multiple of any number.
Yes, yes. Okay. Then count. This is always the factor is always finite or limited, but
And sir,
multiplied is always infinite and unlimited.
that number.
Okay. See here, here we are giving the example of 12. Example of
Yes,
12.
sir.
These all are the factors of the 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And these are examples of the multiplied of 12. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this is divides the number. Okay, that we are dividing the number 12 with all the values. And here it is
Yes, sir.
often always the multiplying the number.
Yes, sir.
This is
Sir,
always the difference. It is always less than or equal to the number. It is always equal
yes,
to
sir.
or more than the number.
Yes, sir. My papa, some of my father is also teach me that that the factor is less than and the greater than the factor is less than the number and the equal than the number and the multiple is more than the number or
Yes, we'll do
equal
the
than.
sum friend. We'll just understand some of the properties of multiplying. Like we have
Yes, sir.
understood the properties of
Yes,
factors.
sir.
Like
So
yes,
multiple. Yes, sir. And every member is a smallest multiple of itself. We can't
yes,
because हम उसकी smallest को बता सकते हैं लेकिन greatest नहीं बता सकते. और
yes,
सर
yes, yes,
मल्टीपल हमें सर ये क्या मल्टीपल आर नेवर हाँ सर ये सही मतलब मल्टीपल किस कभी भी नंबर से छोटा नहीं होगा जो भी नंबर है उससे बड़ा ही होते जाएगा या फिर इक्वल रहेगा.
yes, yes, yes. And every number has an unlimited number of multipliers.
सर नंबर is unlimited because it was going because
Because,
there was no ending of numbers.
mhm. Then 50 is a multiple of 5. Okay,
5
because it is like no remainder. Remainder is always here 0.
0. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 0 is a multiple of every number. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Yes, no. Because if you multiply with 0, the result will be always the 0. Okay. See dear.